If you are new to strength training, this guide is the perfect place to begin today. Resistance bands, dumbbells, and kettlebells are simple tools that bring real results. You do not need a full gym setup to build strength and tone your entire body safely. We will break down the basics of each tool and how to use them effectively and smartly. From form and posture to proper movement, you will learn everything step by step here. This video will help you choose what works best for your fitness level and daily routine. No confusion, just clear guidance to start building confidence and strength from home. Whether you want to tone muscles or boost stamina, this guide gives you a full roadmap. Like and subscribe if you want more beginner-friendly workout breakdowns and tutorials. Let us get started and make your fitness journey simple, strong, and sustainable today. 1. Introduction to resistance training. Starting your fitness journey with simple tools like resistance bands, dumbbells, and kettlebells is smart. These tools are affordable, portable, and perfect for beginners looking to build strength efficiently. They provide controlled resistance, helping you tone muscles without heavy gym equipment or machines. Each tool works differently, but all support progressive overload for consistent body transformation. Resistance bands improve flexibility and are ideal for home workouts with minimal space requirements. Dumbbells help target specific muscle groups, allowing better form control and gradual strength building. Kettlebells focus on power endurance and dynamic movements, engaging the core and stabilizing muscles. Beginners can use these tools to improve balance coordination and overall muscular endurance safely. Consistency with resistance training leads to visible muscle tone and improved metabolism over time. It is the most efficient way to sculpt a lean, strong body while protecting joints and building confidence. 2. Benefits of resistance bands. Resistance bands are lightweight, versatile, and ideal for training anywhere, anytime effectively. They help activate stabilizing muscles by maintaining tension through every movement without pressure. Bands come in different levels of resistance, allowing gradual progression without risk of strain. They improve mobility and flexibility, which helps prevent injuries during workouts and daily life. Using them builds endurance and strengthens smaller muscles often missed in heavy-weight exercises. Resistance bands are excellent for warm-ups as they prepare joints and muscles for harder training. They can be used for upper body, lower body, and core workouts, offering a full body challenge. Beginners love bands because they offer resistance without the intimidation of traditional weights. They are portable, easy to store, and ideal for travel fitness or quick home training sessions daily. When used correctly, resistance bands can match or even surpass dumbbells in muscle activation results. 3. Benefits of dumbbells. Dumbbells are the foundation of strength training and ideal for anyone starting a workout journey. They allow equal engagement of both sides of the body, improving symmetry and muscular coordination. Unlike machines, dumbbells force you to stabilize movements, enhancing joint control and balance fully. Beginners can easily adjust the weight to match their comfort level, reducing injury risk effectively. 4. Benefits of kettlebells. Kettlebells combine strength, cardio, and coordination in one compact piece of fitness equipment. Their unique handle design allows dynamic movements that improve endurance and power naturally. Exercises like swings, snatches, and cleans target multiple muscles, improving explosiveness efficiently. Kettlebell training enhances grip strength, posture, and core stability through constant motion control. 5. How to choose the right equipment. Choosing the right tool depends on your goals, fitness level, and available workout space daily. For toning, flexibility, and mobility, start with resistance bands that offer easy beginner progressions. If strength and muscle growth are priorities, dumbbells provide clear progression and control options. For dynamic power endurance and full body conditioning, kettlebells offer unmatched functional training. Beginners should select moderate resistance or weight that challenges muscles without causing strain. Always focus on form and control rather than lifting heavy to prevent injury and ensure consistency. 6. Beginner exercises with resistance bands. Start with squats, chest presses, and seated rows using bands for controlled tension on each move. Do banded glute bridges to strengthen lower body and improve hip mobility for daily stability. Lateral walks and standing leg lifts tone the outer thighs and build glute endurance effectively. Perform bicep curls and tricep extensions for upper arm toning without heavy weights or stress. Shoulder raises and pull-aparts improve posture and upper body definition gradually over time. Bands allow slow, smooth motion that protects joints while keeping muscles under tension longer. Focus on form breathing and controlled motion rather than rushing through repetitions daily. 7. Beginner dumbbell exercises. Start with simple exercises like squats, shoulder presses, and bent-over rows for total body strength. Bicep curls and hammer curls target arm muscles while promoting control and balance development. Perform chest presses and floor fly movements to strengthen pectorals and improve upper body posture. Dumbbell lunges and Romanian deadlifts build strong legs and glutes with stability and alignment. Plank rows or renegade rows strengthen the core and back simultaneously for functional stability. Maintain neutral spine alignment and steady breathing throughout every repetition for safety. Focus on performing 10 to 12 reps per set and maintaining slow, controlled tempo for muscle growth. 8. Beginner kettlebell exercises. Start with kettlebell deadlifts to learn safe lifting form while targeting glutes and hamstrings safely. Practice kettlebell swings to develop power coordination and cardiovascular endurance efficiently. Goblet squats help strengthen the legs and improve posture through proper form and core activation. Kettlebell presses and rows enhance shoulder strength and stability in both upper and lower body. Turkish get-ups improve flexibility, balance, and functional core strength when performed correctly. Always start with light weights to master motion and prevent unnecessary joint or muscle strain. Focus on fluid transitions between exercises to maintain rhythm and full body engagement evenly. 9. Safety tips for beginners. Always warm up before workouts to prepare muscles and prevent injuries from sudden movement. Focus on proper form, even with light resistance, to build a strong foundation for safe training. Avoid holding your breath during exercises. Maintain controlled breathing through every motion. Never rush repetitions. Quality of movement always outweighs the number of sets performed. Listen to your body if pain occurs. Stop immediately and adjust form or resistance accordingly. Hydrate before, during, and after workouts to maintain muscle performance and recovery speed. Incorporate rest days to allow muscle repair and prevent overtraining or long-term fatigue. 10. Building your routine and staying consistent. Create a workout plan combining resistance bands, dumbbells, and kettlebells for variety weekly. Schedule 3 to 4 sessions per week, alternating upper, lower, and full body training days. Start each workout with light resistance and gradually progress to heavier loads over time. Include both strength and mobility exercises to improve endurance and functional performance. Keep a fitness journal tracking rep sets and improvements for motivation and accountability. Rest well and maintain a balanced diet to complement your strength training efforts effectively. Set short-term achievable goals to celebrate progress and stay committed to long-term success. Mix workouts to prevent boredom and keep your body challenged with new resistance variations. Focus on consistency, not perfection, because steady effort builds lasting transformation over time. Resistance training with these tools builds not just strength, but lifelong confidence and health. You now know how resistance bands, dumbbells, and kettlebells can transform any workout. It is not about lifting heavy. It is about training smart and improving day after day. Start light, focus on good form, and you will feel stronger with every consistent session. Each of these tools builds strength, flexibility, and control in its unique, effective way. Keep experimenting until you find which method fits your personal fitness goals best. Like and subscribe for more beginner workout guides and practical fitness education. Comment below and tell me which equipment you plan to start using after this video. Your journey to strength starts with the choice to show up every single day consistently. Thank you for watching and being part of this fitness learning community with me. Stay motivated, keep moving, and never underestimate what small daily effort can build.